and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get stone in the forge. Now stone is dropped from pebbles, which you can find in the starting area, and these pebbles will be literally right in front of the cave. However, because of the new update, or the the double XP weekend or whatever it was, because of that, since it's like I think it's like 2 times luck, so you're not going to actually be able to get stone, because stone is like a 1-in-1 thing. So it has like a 1-in-1 chance, and as you can see, everything I'm mining right now is like either common copper or I think it was iron, which are both 1-in-3 and 1-in-2 chances. So because of that, because of the double XP weekend or the double luck weekend, you're not actually gonna be able to get any stone, because it's a very it's a very high chance of even getting it. So it's like a a 1-in-1, so it's basically like 100% chance of getting it. So basically, it's kind of almost like a bug, I guess you could say. But basically, once this event is over, once the double luck or double XP whatever event is over, you can go ahead and mine the pebbles. It's just that the chance of stone dropping is so high that because of the double luck weekend, it doesn't drop, which is kind of weird, and I guess it is a bug. So if you can't, I have this bug as well, I can't get the 6 stone because I can't mine it, because I'm only getting the more rarer materials. So that's why. And basically, once this event is over, I don't believe it should be for too long, but once the event is over, you guys can go over to the starting area, and anywhere you find pebble, you can go ahead and mine that, and you will get stone. So yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.